वरदे 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 वीणवादिनी वरदे निर्मल मन कर दे प्रेम अतुल कर दे निर्मल मन कर दे प्रेम अतुल कर दे सबको सम्मति हो ऐसा हमको वर दे 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 वीणावादिनी वर दे सत्यमयी तू है ज्ञानमयी तू है सत्यमयी तू है ज्ञानमयी तू है प्रेममयी भी तू है हम बच्चों को वर दे 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 वीणावादिनी वर दे वर दे वर दे वर दे वीणावादिनी वर दे जय जय माँ जय जय माँ जय जय माँ जय माँ जय जय माँ जय माँ जय जय माँ जय माँ वर दे वर दे वर दे वर दे. So friends, with the onset of the spring season, today is Vasant Panchami and I heartily welcome you to my YouTube channel Papya Vlogs. So friends, as there is greenery with cool breeze of air and yellow mustard flowers blooming everywhere, all kinds of flowers and beautiful birds chirping around, this is the season for merrymaking as well as look into the new horizon of life. So friends, today I take you to Kumartuli, which is a place in West Bengal where the craftsmen are daksh in making the idol of various goddess through clay. So as you can see in the video, these are the beautiful goddesses made out of clay which is done by their own hands. These craftsmen had been into this clay making idol for lot of years now. This place is popular for various beautiful idols of gods and goddesses for various puja, festivals and decorations. So keep watching this video and I hope you like it. If so, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel Papya Vlogs till now, I request you to kindly subscribe to Papya Vlogs with the bell button on so that you get regular notifications of all my video. Very soon I will share how the puja is done in various parts, especially from my hometown. I hope you will like it. This is the bhog which is prepared for the Saraswati Puja festival. They generally make khichdi bhog, which is actually made with lentils and rice. It's a porridge with some mixed vegetables. As you can see in the video, this is the cauliflower which is cooked and then it is served as bhog to Ma goddess Saraswati and then offered to the various devotees who come for the puja festivals. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.